Bonjour, hi, I'm Michaela and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making apple crumble bars. This is a recipe I've had for years. I just found it again and it's a good one not to share. So it comes in three parts. We're going to make a base, a filling and a topping, and then we cook the whole thing together. So we use almond flour for our base. Put some almond flour in a bowl. And then we're going to put in some vanilla and some oil. Now, you can use coconut oil. I use a mild olive oil. And we're going to mix that all up together. Put the crumble in the bottom and we're just going to pat it down. The next step, I've taken some apples that I've peeled and chopped and added some cinnamon to. So we put that in our bowl. Then we add some maple syrup to that. Just mix that all up together. We're going to add this now on top of our base. The last thing we're going to make is our crumble topping. So we've got some almond flour and some cinnamon. We've got a little oil and maple syrup. And then we've got some nuts. Now I did call for pecans, I didn't have, so I'm using sliced almonds. Put that all in together. I took it out of the oven and I cut it, but the base was too crumbly. So I'm gonna I'll put instructions to add more oil so it sticks together, but it's delicious. As you can see, I cut it. You can just eat it like a crumble if it doesn't work into a slice. Delicious, delicious apple crumble bars. Enjoy.